How to fix Facebook Messenger login problem. First thing guys, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find every single app you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find the messenger. When you find it, click on it like this and then click on first stop. After that, click on storage and then click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click on data usage and disable the roaming data like this, and then go back, click on first stop, and last thing you want to do is go to the home page, open the Play Store, search for Messenger and update it. By the way guys, you can do the same thing if you have iPhone. Just go to the App Store. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.